Hello guys, in this tutorial I will explain about how you can download your Kinemaster application with Android, okay? Before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment. Also you can share my video. And now we will download application of Kinemaster, okay? With Android. You can go to the Play Store. Click in here, and now on the search bar in here you can type Kinemaster. After that you can see the result of Kinemaster video application in here. So if you want download this application, you just click on this and now select download on here, okay? That is the way how you can download Kinemaster application with Android. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.